So for replacing the side lights on the VW Golf, which is the bottom bulb in the holder here, you need a W5W bulb, or the other reference is FRW501. And I've actually got a light out of the car just to show you more easily where the connector is. The back of the car, you need to just lift this clip up over so this can open up, and you'll see there are two holders, and second holder, you need to pull on the two tabs. So you can see here, this is the holder where the yellow and brown wires are going in there. So that holder just needs to be pulled out, fit the bulb in, and it then will slot back in.